Hey guys, what's going on? I'm B Craig with BCraigTrades. I'm here to talk today about 354% gainer on BlackBox stocks. I've been using software for about a year now, and I need to trade. I just need it, So let's go ahead and get right into the video. I noticed the workday alert pretty early on in the morning. I was done trading by 11 a.m. So this alert had came in. Let's see, does it say a time? Oh yeah, at 9:36. So literally 6 minutes after the market had opened. Once the alert did come in, it ran pretty fast, and I think when at the time I jumped into the trade, this alert right here was already good for 100%. So I wasn't too sure I was going to get that much, squeeze out that much gains out of it. I wasn't expecting this to run for 350%, but I did go ahead and jump into these. I was able to gain about, let's see, $577. And for 120%, so I was able to get 120% on these, and I really could have gotten more. I did jump into the alert. Let's see, what time is this? 9:40. I think it was about right here, and the stock did bounce a little bit, and I started to lose a little bit of money. I went ahead and closed out some of my contracts to kind of lessen and limit my losses. I had 5 contracts, and I closed out of three of them, so I only had 2 more left. So really, those 2 contracts, netted me $577. I can't imagine, if I had all my contracts, all 5 of my contracts, it would have been a way bigger gain. But it is what it is. It's a stock market. I had to protect my losses, protect my portfolio. So the alert came in. I went ahead and played these. You can see it opened up at about 238 and went to a low of 220 here today. So this is one of the stocks that really tanked down today. Pretty easy trade. When the market's going down like this, it's just easy buy puts. I like when this happens, honestly. Long as I don't have any long-term positions in, it's kind of easy. When the market is going down, you just play puts and everything. As you can see, let's see what else, because this is my one chart. But we go to all of them. Yep, here we are. We got SPY down here that was down big. QQQs were down big. Snap has some alerts for Snap. Don't mind me, just filling out some levels here. And workday actually did bounce. It did have a little bit of bounce throughout the day. How come I wasn't seeing that on my? Oh, there it is. There's a bounce right there. Bounce from 220 all the way back up to 227. So within a 5-minute candle too. So that's a pretty big push right there. I think it was just kind of like oversold here, and the market makers came in and bought it right back up. So let's go ahead and check out some of my entries. Let's see. I had first got into workday at. I bought 5 at $239. So I bought 5 contracts at $239 a piece. Remember, I said I did exit some because it started going against me. I exited 3 of them at $141. And by the time I was done with this trade, I had sold them for $455. So I sold 2 for $455. If I had all 5 of my contracts, it would have been a killer trade, but I can't be mad about it. When you really are protecting your portfolio sometimes, you're not going to catch the exact bottom, and you're not going to know the exact top. It was right about right here that I had, got into it, and it started to go up a little bit. And the trade kind of went against me. I think I was down like negative $300 in it. And I knew it was still going to go down, but just in case it didn't, I wanted to limit some of my losses on the day. Didn't want, any too big of losses. But I just kept 2 on, because I still kind of believed in it, with 2, if it kept going up just with 2 contracts, it wouldn't have been as bad. So I went ahead and rode out with that, got some good profits in that. Also, I did place a Tradytics signal or alert. Let's see. Let's go to theirs, and it should be right here. Let's see. Here it is. So right off the bat at 9:33 a.m., you had some trading flow. This alert came for these. Amazon put 6 orders, but they're worth $3.17 million. Some Amazon puts. And as you can see, Amazon Amazon is really tanked down today. Let's see, what was I able to get on Amazon? Let's see, sell for Amazon, cancel. It was kind of hard because I went kind of far out the money. I think I got the 3250 puts. Yeah, I did. So I got the 3250 puts for 287. And I was buying some more. So I started buying at 274 and basically I got a whole bunch of them really at 272. So around about 240 to 270, I was buying them up and kind of exiting a couple at a time. My last exit was at 320. So, not the biggest percentage gains. I think I maybe got like 30% on this play right here. It did go for more, but I didn't want to be too greedy. I don't know exactly where my last exit was. Let's see. We can check it out right here. My last exit was at 1027. So if we go look This is just about right here. Yeah, so I missed a pretty big move all the way down from 360.33 right here all the way down to 335.86. You know, but I like to be in and out of my trades. The market is so volatile; it can just pick up and move at any moment. And I think it's this green candle right here is kind of when I was like, oh, okay, this thing might go ahead and pick back up. I went ahead and got out. I should have left the runner on, but you know, that's hindsight. You know, it's easy to kind of look back in your trades and think on what you should have done. But you know, some good trades today. I love days like today. Momentum and volatility. That's what you want when you're trading options. You want momentum and volatility in the markets. If the market's going and everything's shooting up, I'm playing calls. If the market's going down, playing puts. Don't fight the market. That's what we tell each other in the Discord group. And if you want to join, the link is in the description and pinned in that first comment. But don't fight the markets. You know, so I played some Amazon puts. I also did play Neo. I played some Neo calls off the open. But you know, as you can see right here, and then like in the doji candle, it popped, and I had like these levels right here. I thought once it approached this level, ooh, hold on, was I not supposed to jump into this trade? Let's see, where's my level supposed to be at? Oh no, it's in a different one. Okay, yeah, so you know, it popped right here, and I was like, okay, I can go ahead, and play some calls. So I got in some calls for like 310 a pop. And then this, it started to go down. Once I noticed it started to go down, I noticed the whole market was kind of, tanking, and everything's kind of pulling out here. So I went ahead and turned around and bought some puts on it and made most of my money back in that loss right there. I really thought Neo had the momentum to run. I don't think anyone knew the market was kind of going to sell off like this today. It kind of recovered a little bit towards the end of the day. But it was a lot of selling pressure. See what SPY opened up just about at 340 and came all the way down to 435. So 440 and came all the way down to 435. I have a couple plays I'm looking at tomorrow. I do want to see how Microsoft is going to be. I think someone must have said something crazy on their phone call. You can see here they had the earnings pop, just like earnings after hours, they usually come back down, kind of slow down a little bit. And here's where the phone call started. You can see the little phone call icon, and boom, it popped up back up again. So I need to read what, whoever said something and what they said about it. So I'm looking to play Microsoft tomorrow. Also, I'm looking to play Boeing. Boeing on a daily candle is right here. And I'm going to put my levels to see. So if it breaks above this 225 level, I'm playing calls, and if it goes below the 220, I will be playing puts. I'm gonna go ahead and alert the group on that, put that in my watch list. But this is an inside bar here, so just showing indecision. It could pop either up or down here. And Boeing does have some high delta. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so the premium with the weekly premium should be a little bit cheaper. But if you are playing the weeklies, be very careful. Boeing, it can really turn against you. It can turn against you, and it can play for you and with you, and for some big gains or some big losses. So those are kind of two names I'm watching here. I don't think Apple is really doing too much after hours, even though they said their Apple sales were up 50%. So that's a lot. Yeah, Apple's not really doing too much. I know Facebook's on deck to report tomorrow. Wow, Facebook popped after hours too. Let's go ahead and add this support level down here. See that? But Facebook have popped after hours, and also Google have reported today too. Or Alphabet, they have some pretty good earnings. You can see it popped after hours and held. That's what you want to see, is a pop and hold. Or a lot of times you can play the fade off of names, and names popping it, high after markets or pre-markets. You can kind of play the fade off of it. If the news isn't too big for it, or the earnings isn't too big for it, to kind of hold that level there. But that's about it, guys. Don't have this video be too long. I just want to talk about a couple plays I made in the market. Trying to stay green. Tomorrow's Wednesday. And usually Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, my better days in the week. Monday and Tuesday, I'm more so on the defensive end of the market. And once we get to the latter half of the week, I can go ahead and size up a little bit and really play the market. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join us in the Discord. Come trade with us. Come talk your shit about why your positions are the best, or why you think GameStop's going to $1,000 a share. Who knows? Well, thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.